the problem of applications and Huawei devices after Huawei. First, we open this program. The download link you will find in the description box. With this program, you can run Google services first. We press the plus button and choose the program with the malfunctioning failure. With this method, you can run any program that supports Google services. If you liked the video, don't forget to support us, my friend Blake, and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, write me in this video. I will answer any one. And if here ends our explanation of this program, do not forget to follow this channel.